Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 78 Dodge Wagon Macho truck. Really nice truck, really cool truck. Not many of them around. And it looks like the original grill shell there, which is better than the Chinese. So they did the repaint on it. They did a nice job, striped it, new tires. Looks like they painted the wheels. Don't see any rust on it. Interiors, I'd say pretty much a 10. I don't see any issues anywhere in the interior. Aftermarket stereo. This is an air truck. Door shut nice, spray and bed liner. Of course, the roll bar, no lights on top of it. You certainly can. There you can look, see how the frame's been done. Just not a lot of things to show you. That probably about the only thing I can show you is instead of taking the doors completely apart, they left them in and painted around. But they did a pretty good job of taping. But the wing windows, they did that, and you can see a little bit maybe on the winch. Yeah, not too bad there. So, but very nice job. Show truck if you want it to be, or definitely above average driver quality. Really not a lot of issues to show you. So very nice truck. 605-695-7391.